In this series of recordings, we will talk about creating coordinate systems and all the different possibilities and how to create a coordinate system. If we take a look at this particular part here, and we take a look at it from the top view, you'll see that this part, even though it is a rectangle, it is not exactly sitting straight even on its coordinate system. So we'll also deal how do we straighten that out for our coordinate system on the machine. We'll start by creating our coordinate system by clicking on CoordSys. Now you'll see that there's 7 different options for creating a coordinate system. Our default is select associative face. That means when you create your coordinate system, it'll be associative to the part itself. Then we have select face. This is the original way where we used to create a coordinate system. This does not have any associativity. Then we have define, where you can actually define it according to different points and lines. You can also use select coordinate system. If you have a CAD coordinate system created, you can use that coordinate system for your CAM coordinate system as well. And then you have normal to current view. This is used normally when using STL machining. And then also, again, 3 points, which is the same as define, but that has the 3 points as associative. In most cases, you will use select associative face. So let's start off with that. Let's take a look now at the top fields that we have over here. First, it's telling us where do we want to actually locate our coordinate system point. If I were to open up this option, we see right now, I'm going to just concentrate on the bottom ones. The bottom ones are auto locations, and we have auto location top, auto location bottom, and just plain old auto location. If I were to do auto location top, and I'll click on a face of this part, you'll note we're looking for a face that the coordinate system will be normal in the Z direction to that face. So if I were to click, say, on this face over here, what's going to happen? We'll have the coordinate system at the top at the closest point that we've created in the box around the part. You'll also note the following. That field is now highlighted because it is associative to that face. If I click in that field, you'll see that that face is highlighted, showing what face it was actually picked off. You'll also note that the coordinate system is on top, and you'll also see that the box that is formed around the part itself has points on every single corner, on the half lines of every single line that we have. And if I take a look, you'll also see another one in the mid face of that surface, as well as the mid face of this surface, and on the bottom as well. So every corner, every half point, and every face has a point to it that you can use for the coordinate system, where it automatically aligned up to. If I were to go where we have auto location top and change it to auto location bottom, you'll note it'll automatically jump to the bottom of the part, because that's where we want it now. Auto location bottom. I'm going to put it back at auto location top. Now, as far as the next fields go, we'll talk about it in our next recording.